What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a solar power bank yet again. Once again, you guys, I love power banks. I love my power banks, you guys. I still use power banks like crazy, okay? Soccer games, football games, whatever it may be. You might do camping, you might be on hiking. So whatever it may be, you may need a power bank. But one key thing of power banks and one main thing is charging. Okay, so you can get a power bank that has 2,000 milliamps, which is probably nothing, right? Or you can get a power bank like this, which is 42,000 milliamps, 42,800 to be specific. But when you have more milliamps, you have more choices, you have better options, you have better opportunity, which means you can charge more. So just in case people don't know nothing about power banks, sorry to give y'all that little speech, but let's go ahead and get into it. So we're going to do the unboxing and all of that good stuff. Here goes the box, so you can stop it, pause it, read it for yourselves. All right, so let's go ahead, check it out. First thing that comes out in your face, the instructions. All right, so you have the instructions, and I get a lot of flack from people. Why you don't read the instructions? And I'm like, oh, why didn't you read the instructions before you came to my channel and worry about me reading the instructions? But anyways, you know, people will be people. So we are going to go ahead and get into this. So you have the solar power bank, which can do wireless charging from what I see. Now, I'm not sure if this is magnetic. I will get my iPhone in a little bit to show y'all if this is magnetic or not. But you have three built-in chargers right here. So you have iOS charger, you have USB Type-C. Well, not iOS, that's a software. You have lightning charger right here, USB Type-C, micro USB compass. All right, this is for the hikers out there. More than likely they have their phone. All right, you have power button right here. Let me hold the power button down. You hold the power button down and you have light. All right. And they said the light goes up to 100 foot. I press the power button again and you get the strobe light. This light is good if you're out walking, right? Oh, you can hook it up on the back of your bike if you want a strobe light. I'm gonna click it again. All right, this is the one you see on people's bikes. I hit it again and it went off. So you got three lights or three lighting modes on here. So right there you have USB. You have USB Type-C, and this is an out and in, meaning which you can charge it from this part right there. All right. So there you go. This is a lightning port in. So if you want to, you can charge 6 devices simultaneously. If you want to, you can charge up, you know, tablet, iPhone, depending on what iPhone you have, lightning port, iPhone, USB Type-C iPhone, and all of that stuff. And then while you charging with these three, you can use these over here to charge as well. Okay, so you have 6 devices that you can charge, and you can use this cable right here. This cable is a built-in charger. So if you need to, if you have a block or something, you can plug this in to the USB part right there. All right, I know you barely could see it, but all right. But anyways, you could charge this to the USB part. All right. Now, on top of all of that good stuff, you guys, we have 2 major things on here. All right. One of them being is solar. Okay. So this thing is solar power charge. Okay. So you can also charge this by using the sun. So let's just say somebody hit the power grid. Don't know when, don't know how. All right. You have lightning, thunder, all of that stuff, storms or whatnot. Sometimes your power goes out. This will be good to charge when the sun is out. One last thing about this is that you have the charger back here. All right, so my case prevents me from charging my phone, you guys, but it's charging wirelessly when it comes to my Google Pixel. For your little hook right here, well, for your little latch, they provided a hook or a key link, whatever you want to call it. All right, so you have a link right there. And then you could put it wherever you hang it up. All right, very nice and rugged. Rubber on the corners, you guys. So that means it will be shock proof if you drop this thing. And also keep in mind it's waterproof and dust proof. Okay, take it out to the beach, take it out camping, take it wherever you need to go. If you get water on it, it's waterproof. All right, we might test that out. We might test it out. I don't know. I don't usually get my stuff wet, but we might test it out just for the campers out there. But this is definitely cool. I like how everything just goes in place. Like, you see that goes in place. The backup charger or built-in charger wire right here goes in place. Everything goes in place. You got the dust cover right here. And again, waterproof. All right, that's what they said. That's what they said. All right, don't come at me. All right. And last thing I'm gonna check out to see if it's magnetic. I don't think it's magnetic. I think it's just wireless charge, but we're just gonna roll with it. And let's test this out. Now, oh, it's charging. All right, you guys, I'm about to go out back. Hold the power button. Oh, gotta unlock the door. All right, we unlock, and let me turn that ring light off. All right, turn the ring light off, and basically you can see most of the back so far, but it's blurry as heck. Okay, now it's not blurry. All right, so we are out back, and I'm going to shed lights to the backyard. So you pretty much, I can see the bird feeder and see if there's any raccoons or anything back here. Random cats, wild cats. See if we see any wild cats or anything. Nothing. All right, not yet. So we don't see no raccoons or nothing. Maybe on the neighbor's yard, but the light actually is doing pretty good. All right, of course we had brighter lights, but you know, this is a little compact power bank, but this is not bad. Look at that, you see? All right, just wanted to show y'all how much light does it shine, so you can see the whole back. So this is pretty cool. This is a cool thing to have. All right, so that will be it, you guys. And if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.